Have you ever wondered why some businesses get traffic but fail to grow, while others dominate online even with less visibility? The answer often lies in the difference between SEO consulting and digital marketing consulting. They sound similar, but they play very different roles in building a successful online presence. Let's start with SEO consulting. Think of it as fine-tuning the engine of your website. SEO experts make sure your pages are optimized with the right keywords, your site loads quickly, your structure is search-friendly, and your content matches what people are searching for. The result? Higher rankings on Google and a steady stream of organic visitors. In short, SEO consulting ensures people can find you. But here's the catch: traffic alone doesn't guarantee growth. You could have thousands of visitors, but if you don't know how to engage them, convert them, and keep them coming back, your business won't scale. This is where digital marketing consulting comes in. Digital marketing consulting is the full strategy. It looks at SEO, yes, but also at social media, paid ads, email campaigns, branding, customer journeys, and analytics. Instead of only focusing on how to bring people in, digital marketing consulting designs how to nurture those relationships, turn leads into sales, and build long-term loyalty. Imagine SEO as a magnet pulling people to your shop window, while digital marketing is the entire store experience, the layout, the offers, the conversation, and the follow-up emails after purchase. Both are essential, but they serve different purposes. Without SEO, people may never discover you. Without digital marketing, those who discover you may never buy. For business owners, the question is not which one is better, but how do I combine them effectively? If you're just starting, SEO consulting can give you visibility and credibility. But to unlock sustainable growth, digital marketing consulting helps you build a system where every click, every post, and every ad is part of a unified strategy. The businesses that win online today are the ones that see SEO as the engine, but digital marketing as the roadmap, the driver, and the fuel that keeps the journey going. So, if you had to invest in just one area today to move your business forward, would you focus on sharpening your SEO engine or designing the full digital marketing strategy?